Hi everybody, this is Donnie Harris from the Fishing Creek Girls program. Today I just wanted to show you a pretty easy app to use to record your video lectures. So it's called OBS. Just Google OBS and this will pop up. And it's a free program available for Windows, Mac, or Linux. And basically it just lets you do what you're seeing me do right now. I can share my video and whatever my presentation is at the same time. Okay. So OBS is pretty simple to use once you get past the initial setup. But once you set that up, which I'm about to show you, you really just open it up, hit start, and record your lecture. But when you first download it, this is what it's going to look like. And that's sort of intimidating, but it's really not that scary once you start really clicking on the things. So if you look over here on the left, this is called scenes. And every scene that I create here, I can then customize for the type of video I want to make. So right now in the sources box, you're seeing all the different sources that I'm pulling from to make this video. I'm just going to apologize ahead of time too that trying to record this software and making a video about it is kind of complicated, and there's going to be a moment where the screen blacks out. But so the next thing we need to do is create your scene that you're going to use for your lecture videos. So I'll go down here and add a scene, and I'm going to call this lecture. And this is where it's going to black out for you until I share my display. Okay, and now that's also going to probably look scary. So I'm going to crop out the top of this. This is stuff you don't have to do when you're making your video lectures. This is solely because of what I'm doing right now. Alright, so this is what you'll see when you start creating your new lecture scene. First thing you want to add is some audio. I won't be able to hear you if you don't add an audio input. So I'll add an audio input to my sources, and I'll call it microphone. Alright. Next, I need to add the window that I want to share. So I want to share my Dr. Seuss presentation that I have open in a separate Google Chrome window. And I'm going to title this source Slideshow. Alright, and so you should see what I'm looking at. Yeah. So it wants to know what window do you want to record. So I'm going to find this Google Chrome Dr. Seuss. Okay. And there it is. So now, whenever I hit this little eyeball next to slideshow, it's going to show you that instead of what you're seeing. Alright, so I have my slideshow, I have my audio, display capture, but what would a lecture be without my beautiful face? So I also need to add the video capture device, which will just go to whatever your computer's camera is. And I'm going to call that one my face. Okay. And then you can resize this. I like the top right. You can resize it, shift it all around the screen. And if you're tired of sharing a face, just click the eyeball. Okay. So now I have my 4 main sources I would need to make a video lecture. And all I need to do now whenever I want to get my Dr. Seuss presentation is I'll make sure that my slideshow window is open. I can see my my OBS stuff in the background, so that means I need to turn off that. And all I want to show is my slideshow and my face. And you'd also want to select audio. And then I can have whatever I want open on my screen, but all you're going to see is these slides and my face. Okay. I hope that made some sense to you. Please, if you want to use this app, I'm more than willing to meet you in a Google Meets room and walk you through it. But once you get it started, it's really not that bad. So yeah, that's OBS. Let's show you that one more time. OBS. Try it out. And if none of this makes sense to you, here's one other website I'll just recommend real quick. I know a lot of people use this for college. Screencast-o-matic. In screencast-o-matic, you can create an account with your Yellow Breeches account, and it's a little clunkier than OBS, but this is also just a very quick and simple screen recording software. Right. So, I'm gone now.